So,
Welcome back to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Well, today I'm basically going to give you guys an update on my container and raised bed garden, small space gardening. So right here is where I have pineapple mint. This is a pineapple mint. It's the first time I'm planting it. It smells amazing. First time I'm planting it and it's doing pretty well. This I think is cilantro. This is chocolate mint. It smells amazing. We also have this one. This one is cinnamon basil. The scent is amazing. We also have peppermint. This thing is so strong they want to knock you out. Okay? Beautiful, man. So right here we have our avocado. I bring it out a little early and the coldness kind of scratch up the limbs, but it's gonna get there. This is a pepper tree. This pepper tree I think are going back for like 4 years now. This thing just keep coming back every year. This and another one there. Still coming back. This is past celery. I harvest this celery already. See like it turning seed, but that's fine. Over here this is scallion. This is onion. This is garlic. These garlic basically ready to harvest. But I'm just allowing them at this time. We have sage growing up here. This is another onion. And this is a tomato growing up right here. And we have celery right here. Okay. Over here, rosemary. This is a rosemary. This is a rosemary right here. Okay, so guys, let me show you something. These are some onions I did I experiment with. I did the video with it. I put the onion in a black sacks for 7 days and then it starts shooting and I plant them. So let's see what's going on. I don't think they're ready as yet, but let's see. So the way I do it is three onions growing from the same place. I cut the tops them. So I want the energy to focus on the onion itself. So this is 3 onion growing in that form. Because I cut the bottom of the onion, put it in a black sacks for 7 days, and then I plant them. And from that one bottom, I have 3 onions coming here. Let me check this one as well. Same thing goes on with this one. Same thing, 3. No, this one have 4. No, 3. No, this one have like 4 coming up here. Watch. Right here. And they're pretty good size. But I'm not going to harvest them. I think they can go a little more. But from 2 root of onion, I have 7 onion right here. Alright, so I'm going to cover it back and just leave them here. Okay, so in the back right here, we have basil. We have sweet basil, which is these 2 right here. We have mint. We have, this is Italian thyme. Yes, this is Italian thyme. We also have an okra, which getting ready to push out flowers. These are scallion. This is a ginger right here. This is a ginger. Yeah, and here we have another okra pushing, getting ready to push flowers. Over this side, I have a ginger in this container growing up here. These are peach trees. I just cut them and took them in the soil. I'm just waiting. This is another avocado. And here we have blackberry. We have 2 blackberry growing up here. We also have sage. We have a sage right here. So guys, in this little area, look how much different variety of plants I have. In this container right here, we have lemongrass. This is lemongrass right here. We use this and we make tea as well. We have a ginger growing up here. This is a hibiscus I dig and I transplant. Over here, right here, this is another pepper tree. Very old pepper tree, but it pushing pepper. This is the flowers. Oh gosh, I forgot the name of these flowers, but it's not a flowers, it's a big plant. Okay, so right here we have the lemon tree. And I notice, come on this, I notice we have one lemon on the tree right here. We have one lemon growing on it right there. You see, one lemon. But that's all right. And down inside here, we have an avocado. This is an avocado right here. And we have avocado growing up here as well. So I got to transplant them. In this, we have a ginger. We have a ginger coming up right here. Okay? And in the bottom over here, this is a scallion. This is a squash that I got to transplant. And this is a sweet basil again. So guys, in this little area that I now show you, I have so much different variety of plants. I also want to show you guys something about soil. Okay? The thing about soil, why I will recommend you to use dirt with the soil you buy from the store, because sometimes the soil can be very dry. Look at this one right here. You see? Very dry with no substance, and when you wet the soil, the water just runs through, and by the time you wet the soil, wet the plant, it's like in an hour or two, you don't have the soil feel dry. So if you use dirt as well, the dirt could help keep the moisture in the soil. So what I will, for me, I will, if I buy anything from the store, use dirt and mix with it instead of just plant it in that compost. Mix it with dirt. That dirt could help add nutrients to that plant. Okay, so guys, this is just a beautiful update on my herb garden. You see on my cart, I have my garden on the cart, and you see all these beautiful herbs. You know what I mean? You know how much money I'm saving? I come right here and get my herbs to cook. All right, so what I'm gonna say now, guys, just keep planting and plant what you love. Okay? Peace and love, blessing to all.